Hello everyone. Today we're going to be solving the longest palindromic substring problem on LeetCode number 5 in Java. Palindromes are fascinating patterns that read the same forwards and backward. So let's take a look at the code and unravel the solution step by step. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. Go. So in this Java solution, we have a class solution that contains two class level variables, maxlen to store the maximum length of the palindrome, and low to store the starting index of the longest palindrome. We begin by converting the input string s into a character array input using the toChar_array function for efficient access to its elements. Next, we handle the special case where the string has a length of less than 2. In such cases, the string itself is a palindrome, so you return it directly. Now comes the core logic of the solution. We explore each character in the input string as a potential center of a palindrome. We call the expandPalindrome function method twice, once for an odd length palindrome centered at I, and once for an even length palindrome centered between I and I plus 1. Inside the expandPalindrome function method, we use a while loop to expand outwards from the center j and k, checking if the characters at these positions form a palindrome. If a longer palindrome is found, we update the maxlen with the new maximum length and set low to the starting index of the longest palindrome. After exploring all possible centers and expanding, we return the longest palindromic substring using s.substring low plus maxlen. Alright, so let's go ahead and run it. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or just found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.